Story about my people. No suit today. They made me put on a jacket. Today's top story. EV and gas-powered pickup truck prices are expected to rise due to increased costs incurred by auto manufacturers. As a result, pickup truck buyers' discretionary income is expected to decrease. Consequently, future sales outlooks for the following companies may be dim in the near future: manufacturers of flannel shirts and cowboy hats, aftermarket truck parts, and fishing, hunting, and camping gear. Certain adult beverage sales, however, are expected to remain strong. That's a bit stereotypical, isn't it? I'm MK Hardway, and that's News to Lose.